Okay, so 4 feet 6 inches. I moved the tape measure down just a little bit. Now I couldn't really find nothing to mark it with, so guess what I'm gonna do? What I'm gonna do is just simply trying to do this all with one hand, and this is in the awkward position. But we'll just take this little tie right here, and obviously, if it's off a little bit, it ain't gonna be that big of a deal. But I'm just gonna use this little tie to tie this around at 4 feet 6 inches, and then if you can't find a pen or a pencil, you just need to know where to cut from, obviously. And I couldn't find a pen or a pencil in a reasonable amount of time, so I just found a old twist tie. So you just need something to mark it with.